I think ROI is an overused buzzword. Everyone wants to throw out ROI, and they just take what someone's getting divided by what they paid for it and call it a day. What ROI doesn't take into account, like I said, is all the different constraints to achieve that top line, that numerator. So if, for example, it takes twice as much effort, what's the opportunity cost lost on what they were doing with that time? Is that, are you subtracting that from the ROI? If there's a constraint where this person, this is a really dumb example, but 5-10 years ago, certain computers couldn't run certain pieces of software. So you might have really good quote unquote ROI, but their systems can't run your product. So, from a math perspective, the numerator sure is bigger if they can run the product, but what's happening there, right? I mean, what are the constraints, and are you meeting all those constraints? Is time a constraint? Is resources a constraint for that other person? Is product usability and product knowledge a constraint for certain people? Not everyone's used Oracle before, right? So if Oracle can't go into every single shop and say, oh, we're the best product of all time, just plug and play, because a lot of people probably haven't used Oracle and don't know all the different tricks and techniques, right? SAP is the same way. When I learned SAP, you had to memorize a whole lot of codes to navigate around SAP. Undoubtedly, SAP is a super powerful tool, and it probably saves you a lot of heartache downstream. But you can't just throw out ROI and say, oh, well, you save on future audit work by implementing our product, because our product takes care of all of your RevRec needs, and our product takes care of all your contract and contract obligation needs, so you won't be faulted for X, Y, and Z. That sounds phenomenal. Can the staff that I have currently use that product? And if they can, do I need to go rehire an entire finance team to use SAP? And is that even a realistic possibility? Right. So I think that's why when I said value versus ROI, ROI is just the numerator divided by what they paid for something. And that's a very, very, very lazy way of advertising something versus being able to say, look, this is an implied value that you're getting from using this product. Our product makes your life easier. Our product lets you communicate with your end customers a lot better. Our product lets you do X, Y, and Z so much better than these other things. And this is a marginal value you're gaining on each of these steps. It's much more deeper conversation you have with your end customers, as opposed to just saying 30X,